like a reptile. Ooh. Enough to need a Christmas sweater. So fluffy. Whoa! Is this really me? What? The sacred box is calling my name. Wow, so shiny! My allergies. So beautiful! What about that guy? Looks so judgy. Yeah, a nice detail. On fleek. I may be not that bad after all. Perfect! Huh? Maybe I should fix this Princess Leia situation. Ooh, much better. Life is perfect. Hey. Ooh. Huh? Yummy! I was getting hungry. The toilet never tasted better. Sweet and sour. Perfect. I feel the electricity in my body. Huh? What? What if? Do they do it like this in the hair salon too? Will Jimmy like me with this color? And... wow! My hair is perfect! What's next? Huh? Is it empty? Come on, come on! What is this? Huh? What if I pull that down? Curly hair method for a lazy girl! Wow! Things always somehow work in my favor. Wow, so cool! I'm so cute! I can do better! Shake it up! Shake it up! Oh! So nice! Ooh! Where were we? At Leggings Town! Citizens, it's me, your queen! So interesting! Relax, I'm not destroying them. I'm giving them a new life. Yeah, Lisa would approve that. And a cat here. Ooh, it's so cool. Fingers crossed, other Blackpink members would like me too. Final touch and pull. Wow, it's so nice. Let me. Ooh. Mom never let me get a tattoo. I'll mark it complete on my bucket list. The cherry on top. Now I'm ready. How you like that? I will totally be everyone bias. Yeah. Let's go to school. Hey guys, I have a class now. I will sign autographs later.
What the? But how?
Doodles! Hey! Hi!
Hi, sweetie. I'll see you at the classes.
Wait. I think she needs a beauty box. Huh? Here you go. Wow! This is what I need.
Okay, now look. Let me see what I got here. Oh, does this remind you of something?
Oh, this is exactly like my face! One more thing to pop, how exciting!
But don't squeeze yours. These vanished dots are exactly what you need to clean your face right now. Place it on the problem areas. Got your nose, sis. We are almost done. How amazing! 1, 2, 3. Time's up! Let's get these bad boys off! The target is removed. Do you see it?
What? It's working! Let's do this one. And this. It's going well, isn't it? Wow, I can't believe it!
You see?
It just makes me smile!
Have to do something for these pearly whites. Here is a permanent solution, or not. How about this? Not worth the math. I think we have a winner. This gadget is exactly what you need for a perfect smile. Okay, now the airplane is coming. I want a landing pad. Ooh, where can it land? I see a good spot.
It tastes funny, and why is there this weird sound, and why does it glow blue? I don't understand. Is this ready? Oops, sorry for the mess. They feel amazing! Thanks!
You have hair?
Where?
Oh, I know. You're in luck, Charlie Chaplin. Yes, this will do the trick. Stay still now. It's super important.
Should I? Ouch! It hurts a little. Okay, survived that. Am I done? Oh no! It's not working!
Let's try something different. Just look at these little arms. They are coming to get you. It's really working, do you see? They are falling off.
Let me try.
Luna, what have you done? I will fix it. Done.
It's like real,
Oh no, it's the Amazonian forest up there. Oh, ew. Sister, you have to do something for that. Don't worry. This is the solution of our problems. Turn it to the max. Now let's place the purple goodies here. Sweet. Now let's watch them melt away like my dreams to date Harry Styles. I think we're almost ready for action. Yes, this will be enough. Stick it in there. This one too. Now pull that.
Here goes nothing.
Let me try. I will channel all my strength.
Wait, please, let's do it together.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Feels so good.
We can knit a sweater out of this. Oh, a bit nasty, yeah. Let's check your ears. My lunch is coming back. What can we do? Yeah, this will help you.
What should I do with that? I will try it. Okay, I'm a bit scared.
Just twist now. Yeah, you are doing a great job.
Oh, it worked! Hey, Roxy, wanna see the gold I got?
Luna, let's do your hair. Take this off. You don't need it. Yep, like that. Done. Chewbacca?
I wanna see. Why is this puppet looking at me like that? Oh, this'll save the situation. I'm not using this on my teeth. Relax. Oh, wish me luck. I'm almost losing this brush. It doesn't work.
Don't worry, I will fix it.
Feels like a massage. So relaxing.
We might be ready to go.
Whoa, feels amazing.
Yay, you are glowing.
Look at me, I have a pink mustache.
Oh, let's put some color.
All right, what do you have?
I have this.
Amazing. Wow, do I look like Harley Quinn or what? Wow, thank you.
Amazing.
What is there left in the box? What? Oh, I really don't get it. What does this thing do?
Luna, let me show you. This is to get your brows on flick. Just let me show you my art talent. Don't move or you will ruin it. Done.
Wow, so good eyebrows.
Something is missing. Are you ready for a lip makeover? A lip over? Aha! Mwah. Catch that! Kylie doesn't have anything on me.
Think I found Nemo. I am Nemo.
Oh, time is over. Look at our lips. Your crush won't resist that. And for a final touch. Boom! Mwah.
And I liked it!
It's too cute.
Yeah, can I try something else?
Aw.
Okay, I think I know what I'm doing. Eye stripe here, and a U shape here. Hey, Roxy! Valentine's Day came early.
Oh, thank you. You are so cute.
You too, honey. I'm not done here. Check this. Huh? What do you think?
I have seen better, sweetie. Oh, let's try something else. Aha! This will work like a charm, trust me.
I can't wait to see it!
Done!
So clear!
Oh, perfect!
Let me see now. I see in 4K, don't worry. Wow!
Luna? What?
Hey, look! Look! It's a mustache! I'm your father, Roxy!
Luna, you are so funny! Oh, wow! I have a better choice. These magnetic eyelashes are everything you need right now. Just let me take these things off.
Really? Magnetic?
The pieces attract each other, like you are going to attract that dude.
Wow! Feel the wind!
Whoa! Quick, I have to do something. This will weather the storm. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. That wasn't on the forecast.
Ooh, now get up and let's choose your outfit.
What do you have?
I got this. Boom.
What's going on? No. Don't like it, sorry. Let's see now. Wow! Oh, I like it.
You look nice. Let's take a selfie.
Hands in the air.
What is that? Are they alive? What? We have to do something quickly. I must have something. Oh, time for a little gardening session. Come here, little bush.
Bush? Like Kate? No!
Done.
Please don't, please! Huh? Is it all gone? Wow, so cool! Huh? What?
I'm making you sweater out of your hair. Sweater, literally. This could smell better.
I want a person too!
Luna, you are too young for this. But check this out.
Wow! Look, they're kissing! Let's cut to the chase. Let's try them out. It's like a character creation screen. I like it.
Are you ready? Next step, a tattoo.
Let me see. Have to peel that off, right? They're both looking pretty cool. Wow, nice tattoo.
You're my tattoo sister.
Boom. What is that? It's so soft. Oh, I want to be like this.
Huh? I have something for you. Watch this.
Ouch, what hit me? Oh, it's so soft. Watch me work it. My hips don't lie and neither do I.
Oh, you are so popular now. Oh.
Am I popular now?
Yes, and I have a gift for you.
Oh. Amazing. Thank you, sis.
Now you will be so popular at school.
Yes, I will go.
Bye.
You will need neck braces for the all-head turning you're going to do. You're not ready. Look at this guy. You don't deserve me.
Ah! Holy smokes! Is that…
Wow.
Okay, let me just…
Huh? It's a prank?
Watch this.
Hey, I saw your last TikTok in the Rex.
If he likes me, he won't let me fall down.
Yeah, thanks. We should make a collaboration.
Ivy, are you okay?
No. I need to become a TikTok star to make him like me.
I can help you with that. Let me show you how TikTok works. Look how many likes I've got.
Wow.
Now your turn.
Oh, my eyes.
Lost something?
Oh, thanks.
Oh, we can shoot a really cool TikTok with this.